Welcome to my birthday vlog. The camera, the battery's dying. Bye. Welcome to the birthday vlog. I tried to welcome on the car ride here this morning and the battery died. So, starting it off now in the afternoon because I didn't even film anything yet today. But pretty much all you missed is my mom and sister are working from home today, so they're kind of busy. And during Lucy's lunch break, we walked the doggies outside, so that was fun. And now,
that was pretty good.
Tell them what we're doing.
I'm baking.
He's baking.
With no bossy orders from the birthday girl.
I'll be sous chef. I've already been told that I'm controlling, so I will take my rightful second spot to the main chef.
Correct.
Tell them what you said last night. What two things were the same.
Well, we didn't have vegetable oil at home, so I was just gonna use olive oil, but I guess you're not supposed to do that. So we waited, and now we're here.
He's like, olive oil and vegetable oil are pretty much the same, right? I was like, no. It's your first time baking a cake as head chef?
Yes, it is.
Tell them what I told you the other week.
That you wanted a strawberry cake. What are you doing? No?
Yeah, let me smell it. I was like, oh, you know what I really want for my birthday? A strawberry cake.
If you want a strawberry cake, we'll get you one. How about that?
Okay,
Alright.
we greased our pan.
Greased our pan. Now we're gonna do 3 eggs.
Yeah. We wanted to do cupcakes, but we couldn't find all the cupcake tins. And I really don't think we have the little cupcake papers. So then we're just making a cake.
And I want it.
How many eggs do you do? 3? And then, can I do the water? I can help.
No. You do not lift a muscle on your birthday.
Wait, we have to tell them what my mom said to Lucy. Tell them. You tell them.
Well, I don't really know how she said it.
It was funny. She was just, you guys, because my mom likes to work over there on the side of the kitchen. It's like bright, and she works over there. Now
Did you do 1 cup?
I did 2 of those, so
Right.
1 cup.
And now I'm gonna do.
And then Lucy came down and was eating, and my mom was like, Lucy, I was thinking you could like do some dishes if you wanted to. And Lucy's like, yes, I
Remember
would.
that?
We were dying laughing. We were like, I was thinking for your birthday, you could do some dishes. You guys know that TikTok that's like,
For Christmas.
yeah, it would be a good present for Christmas. We're like, this would be a good present for your birthday.
You think we need more butter on the thing? I think that's not enough.
No, that's great. Greased it perfectly.
Alright, I'm bringing her on over to the mixer.
And then we mix for 2 minutes.
At medium speed. Wow. This baking thing is easy.
And we gotta get one of these to scrape the sides, you know. Do low first. If I were you, I would do low. Not to be controlled.
That's not low. I feel like that's high
Well, no, that's low. But
speed. I
just,
started
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
yeah.
do it. Yeah.
so it doesn't like spin everywhere. You guys can see his face right now.
Hey, my apron.
Your face looks scared of the mixer. Woo! Look at you go, honey.
Looks like strawberry milk.
You're natural. The best part, baking the cake.
1 minute.
This is 27. Baking a strawberry cake. Can I help?
I want to do that part. I'm good at that part.
You are?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. You showed me.
Since I taught you how. I think before you didn't know how it worked. You are good at that part. I'm a girl. No, 27. Just a little girl.
And also, we're trying to tell you guys something.
Nice.
Just kidding.
You know what? You are gonna be a girl dad someday because you are giving girl dad.
Great. Done.
Don't you think that you get girl dad?
Maybe.
No.
I said maybe. For my birthday.
Oh gosh, these are.
Great. Then what you do go like this?
This was actually so quick and easy.
Mix it around.
No. Just let it be. Here. For you to lick.
Cheers.
Think it on you.
I don't know. Like a lot.
Need your apron. If you had a gender reveal, would you do it with the cake like everybody does?
Nope.
Golf club?
Nope.
A golf ball?
I don't know what I do.
I feel like the golf club is right up your alley. 2 overdone.
Overdone. Uh-huh.
Same with the cake. We'd have to be unique. Brody, we want Brody.
Right.
I'm not pregnant, by the way. I'm not going to be for 10 years, so there.
Great, let's put it in. Stick her in the oven. 15, oh no, we want 23 to 28.
Yep.
So let's start on the lower end, because we can always put it back in.
I don't think I got that whole thing. Tell them what you said.
Goodbye, my sweet prince.
What's your sweet prince in there?
Timer.
Are you stressed about your cake?
My boy.
Is that Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Guys, he's all stressed. He's all stressed because looks like there's some chunks out of it. But that's just because when we put in the knife to check, it wasn't ready a bunch. So, well, I told him once there's frosting on, it'll be fine. Your first ever cake, you did a great job. Great job, honey.
Why, thank you. We'll see how it tastes.
Now Max and I are just gonna do some last minute present wrapping for Lucy, but before we do that, I just wanted to shout out the sponsor of this video. Thank you so much BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. You guys know I've opened up a ton here on YouTube, chatting about my mental health and how much I've benefited from therapy. Days like today on my birthday are extra hard, if you guys know, if you've lost a loved one, with me specifically grieving the loss of my dad. But also I've talked with a therapist about moving to new cities, new places post-grad, and just struggling with that transition and feeling lonely, things like that. Like, we all go through our own hard things, which is why I want to let you guys know, if you haven't tried out BetterHelp, I totally recommend. I think they're amazing. Everyone could benefit from therapy, and if you've thought about it and haven't given it a try, maybe this is your sign, because with BetterHelp you are matched to a licensed therapist. You just go to betterhelp.com/Gretchen Geraghty and you'll put in some information, and you're usually matched within 48 hours, so you can get started right away. I've really needed that sort of third-party unbiased perspective in some situations in my life. I just find it so helpful. So again, I'll have BetterHelp linked down below in the description, and you can go to betterhelp.com/Gretchen Geraghty for a discount on your first month. No more being emo, back to the fun. Let's go wrap some presents. Think I should wrap them together or separate? Maybe separate. Kind of fun. Or are we gonna run out of wrap?
Maybe. Yeah.
Okay.
This ain't Christmas. This ain't Christmas.
They're the same Christmas?
This ain't Christmas.
I was just curling my hair and starting to get ready, and I was alerted by Teddy that there was a delivery. Does anyone else have an alarm dog that, oh hi mom, that if a delivery comes your dog goes crazy? So yeah, midway getting ready here, gotta do my makeup. But I have to show you guys the beautiful flowers that came today. Look at how beautiful these are. We got some of the prettiest flowers. KP Addie Louisa. I'll show you what Max is doing in a moment. KP Addie Louisa sent these. Love you girls. I miss you so much. And then these just showed up from Sydney. These are so pretty. I'm obsessed. I gotta send her a pic. How sweet. Max is yelling back here because he's trying to focus on his cake. You're doing such a good job.
A lot harder than it looks.
I know, it's hard to not rip the top. Look, Rick. We're done. Do we look like twins? Wait, I want to take my hair out. We're just eating it on the faces. Yeah, we look alike. We've looked more alike, like when we were younger. Do you think we'll get less and less alike looking as we get older?
I think we might end up looking more alike.
Maybe when we're like elderly, we'll be like the same.
We're never
Like
gonna be
80 years
elderly.
old. Yeah, we will. We'll be young at heart.
Yeah.
Just like 27, but 18 on the inside. First one ready. Everyone's probably shocked. My dress is revolved. Isn't it so cute? I got it thinking it would be the perfect B-day dress.
Second one ready. Isn't everyone shocked?
No, I'm shocked. I think you'd be first. Hopefully you can't see my undergarments too much. I have sticky boobs and thong, which I feel like if you look closely you can see. But I also feel like my hair is kind of in front. It'll be dark in the restaurant. Whatever. Who cares? You know? And then just white heels. To go with. From Lulu's. I also got a purple stretchy sparkly sequin dress for Lucy to wear, since that's our colors ever since we were little, pink and purple. And also white heels. And we both have gray peacoats that we're gonna do on top, so I feel like that will be so cute. Such a birthday look. This is like such a good birthday dress.
Great birthday.
You guys have a birthday coming up.
Oh my,
Such a good
who
birthday
made this
dress.
cake?
It looks so good, honey. I love all the sprinkles.
There you go.
So festive. There she is.
Yeah. Do these.
Miss America. Wait, this is such a good outfit on you. You need to keep this dress. This looks so good on you.
Purple's my new color, apparently.
I love it. And the sparkles, the heels.
Heels
Look
are
at us.
fun.
This is 27. Woo. Oh, yours aren't even strong.
I know.
Which is Lucy's pile, left or right over here?
Oh, it's that mystery.
Ooh.
Lucy, where are you? Lucy, hurry. I'm popping the champagne. You should do it with me.
Is she being bossy, Lou?
Do the dishes, Lucy. Half the champagne died.
I did the dishes.
No, I know.
I also did the dishes.
I said do the dishes.
Here we
Wow, you guys look so
Ooh. Let's get a video of this,
So I got-
shall we?
go. Ready, set, go.
Go.
Ah, it's coming.
Whoa! Woo!
Yay, Brody.
Oh, it's coming slow.
Gee.
That can be mine.
Whoa.
Okay, here we go. Cheers.
Yes.
Birthday.
Happy birthday. Birthday, dear Lucy and Gretchen. Whoa, happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
I have a lot of wishes.
Me too.
Okay,
Well,
ready?
you only get one.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Okay, let's see
Ooh, I
it.
forgot it was strawberry.
You forgot? How could you forget?
Oh yeah, I made it.
That looks good, oh. That looks good, honey. Also, everyone go watch my TikTok when Lucy and I blew up the candles. I'll probably post the bloopers. It was really funny.
That looks
Anybody
good.
want one?
It's really good. Me. Jenny wants some.
Oh,
Lucy's wearing her new set for her B-Day.
We're loving it. Very comfy.
Oh,
Soft.
and me too. We're
Yeah.
wearing new sweatshirts that we got.
That one
For our
is
presents.
iconic.
We love that one too. So cute.
You match the cake.
I do.
Yeah.
Mine's the pink Skims and Lucy's is Aviator Nation.
Very comfy.
A special birthday back in Utica now, and Oh, that was just so good to be able to celebrate with my mom, my sister, and Max. And what you guys didn't even see is this was such a pleasant surprise. My Aunt Chris showed up right before we had to leave to come back. So we got to see my Aunt Chris. She was just staying with my mom for the night, stopping by. So it was so good to see her, just be with family. And I just realized how lucky I am to have a twin sister. We get to share our birthdays together. Like, it's just so fun, and I just love being together on our birthday, obviously. So that was great. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Love ya, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.